guys, if you've got a set of AirPods Pro 3, chances are you've already realised that the case is, well, fine, right? But it's also smooth and easy to drop and not exactly confidence inspiring. So today, guys, I'm taking a look at this MOBOSI case for AirPods Pro 3 to see whether it's actually worth adding or just another accessory that you don't really need. So if you want to find out whether this case genuinely adds protection without ruining the look and feel of your AirPods, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, cases for AirPods, right? I mean, it's one of those accessories that kind of feel optional until you scuff the case or drop it on a hard floor and then you wish you'd kind of got a case for it. Now, I was definitely in the camp of, you know what, not something else I've got to buy a case for, but since the AirPods 2, which I think I paid £249 for, I kind of changed my mind. I mean, yeah, we all want slim and cool, but honestly, what we don't want is to have to pay another £249 for broken AirPods. So I shifted to a case. Here it is. Look, this is a case that my AirPods 2 Pro are in, but we're not here to look at this. But you know what? I felt it was important then, and I feel that it's important now. So when I got my shiny new AirPods Pro 3, I thought, well, I better scope out a case for them too, as, don't ask me why, I always travel with two sets of AirPods. Now, before the 2s were the first gen, right, which I've got here. And in fairness, this got scratched up a little bit, but they don't actually work anymore. Well, they do. One of them works, one of them doesn't. So you know what? Enter for the AirPods 3 Pro, the MOBOSI case. And I've got to say, spoiler alert, these are kind of next level. Now, before we get into it, guys, MOBOSI did send these over for me to take a look at and to give my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get it out of the box and see what we have. So guys, inside the box, things are pretty simple. You've got the case itself, and you get this carabiner hook so you can attach it to your clothing or, you know, strap it to a strap. And that's it, guys. Now, guys, first impressions are, this is actually solid and it feels very premium. In fact, you know what? This is the other case that I bought and you can see, or that I used to use or still do use, you can see the size difference, right? Well, I got to tell you, right? I mean, given the fact that the AirPods Pro form factors are pretty much the same, yeah, this one is big, but guys, it feels solid and the material feels nice and grippy, and straight away it feels like it's going to give the AirPods a lot more protection than any other case that I've come across. And you know what? Fitting is straightforward. Just pop your AirPods straight in. Now you've got this little latch thing on the side that you push a button and you kind of, that unlatches it, and then you flick the lid up and you are good to go. It just pops up like that and you secure it like that, and that's all cool. And you know what? It is secure. And what about features, guys? Well, you know what? This bad boy is also water and dust proof. You've got a port that clips up on the bottom, and wait for it, it doubles up as a phone stand, which is pretty neat, because you've always got your phone when you've got your AirPods. And then, guys, that's got a rubber cover which protects the USB-C charge port. But don't worry, you won't need to keep kind of clipping that on and clipping it off and removing the rubber, because this bad boy features wireless chargers. So yeah, you know what? It is bigger than the average case, but the average case isn't made from military spec material with wireless charging, water and dust proofing, and a built-in stand. So guys, there you have it. The MOBOSI case for the AirPods Pro 3 does what it says on the tin. It adds grip, it improves protection, it doesn't get in the way of charging or everyday use, and if you're happy using your AirPods case as is, you probably don't need this. But if you want a bit more peace of mind, then this is a solid option. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can pick this bad boy up for the discounted price of just £28.49. I'll leave any links and any further discounts in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to MOBOSI for sending me this cool case to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.